Today in this video, we will see what to do if you are going to sell your iPhone to someone else. There are only two things which you need to do. The first thing is to back up all the content which are present in your iPhone, and the second thing is to completely erase the iPhone. Now you can either back up the content which are present in the iPhone to the iTunes, or else you can back up the content to the iCloud so that you can restore it to the other iPhone. So if I want to back up the content to the iCloud, then I will go to settings here. I will go to this name at the top here. I will go to iCloud here. Then I can scroll down, go to iCloud backup, and then select backup now, so that all the content which are present in this iPhone will be backed up, and it will be available for me to restore in the new iPhone. So once the backup process is finished, then you will go to settings, you will go to general, you will go to reset, and then you have to select erase all content in settings, and then select erase now. So once the iPhone is completely erased, then you can sell your iPhone to someone else. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.